Hey, Nelson.
What?
Hi.
Ahmed, what's your name?
My name is Bethany.
Debony?
Bethany?
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 Bethany.
Bethany.
Did you dye your hair?
No, it's a wig.
It's what?
It's a wig.
Oh, nice.
I dyed my hair jet black in high school and my eyebrows. That's where I got my nickname Patches from.
Actually?
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
This gotta go on the vlog.
I think that will be going in the vlog.
Where the hell is keychain?
Trying to clean my charging port because my phone is no longer charging. It's kind of like sticking a fork in a plug.
Yes, sir. Keychain, sir.
Here we go. Okay, I think we're good. It's like caked on. I don't know what. Yeah, you see that? Look at that. It's still like coming out.
Ew.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Ugh.
Morning. Good morning, everybody. What is this? I don't know. I just work here.
No, look.
You miss 100% of the shots.
I take it.
Yeah.
I might have still at 100%.
Okay, come on. Redeem him.
Renee.
Yeah. Oh, come on. That would have been so cool.
You know, I also missed 100% that day.
Good morning.
Morning! It's a great day to be at Supreme Wraps.
Hi.
You don't wanna meet me out here on the dark side. You should know that you will make it out alive. You should probably start to run for your life.
I'm coming over with the camera.
He's doing nothing. You film him in all his glory of nothing.
Hey, what are you doing? Get back to work.
Deals.
You're making deals?
But hold on. I'm letting this like dissolve. Okay, just so just let me know. I know what I'm doing. I'm trying to watch a video on how to tan. Danny Duncan will show me the way. Okay, that's how you tint.
On today's episode of Bullying the Girl. Is that what you said?
Yeah. What's your name again?
Oh my god. So the real question is this or the gold?
Huh?
This or the gold?
I guess gold.
Really?